Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your age or date of birth on Nintendo Switch. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And unfortunately, you won't be able to do it on your Switch, okay? Just basically open up a web browser from your phone, from your computer. Now, in here, I'm going to go ahead and bring up the article from Nintendo Switch. It says, under date of birth, it says here you cannot change the date of birth associated with your Nintendo account. If you entered an incorrect date of birth when you created your Nintendo account, please, it says here, contact us for support. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this link. And don't worry, I'm going to go ahead and leave this link in the description so that you can just easily click on it and you'll be landed to this exact page. Okay. So in here, just go ahead and click on continue with your Nintendo account. Okay. Once that's done, select your region of residence. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and select Europe. Okay. And country of residence, maybe United Kingdom. And once that's done, click on continue with topic. Now scroll down and find Nintendo account in My Nintendo. Click on it. Now click on Nintendo account once more. Down here, just scroll all the way down and find the option Other. Click on it. Now finally, just click on Contact Nintendo Support. Okay. Now go ahead and enter your date of birth. Make sure to enter the correct date of birth that is currently tied to your Nintendo account. Okay. So if you're having doubts, just click on this information icon. It says here the date of birth should correspond to the one that is registered to your Nintendo account. Now write it down, enter your sign-in ID, your serial number, and your previously purchased games, okay? For Nintendo support to get to know your account fast, okay? Now in here, as it says, to speed up the process, please describe your question or issue in as much detail as possible right here under the description. Just say, hi, I wanted to change my date of birth as I have mistakenly added the wrong date of birth upon signing up to a Nintendo account, okay? Just like that. And once that's done, scroll down, add in your contact email address or where you want Nintendo support to reach you out, okay? Just enter the email address, enter your first name and last name, and then just click on send us an email, okay? And that's basically it. Just wait for their reply, and after that, if they confirm that they can change your age or birth date, well, congratulations. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.